Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm staying at Jeju Oriental Hotel located in Jeju City, Jeju Island, and I'm going to give you a full room tour. As you walk in, you have the bathroom. The first thing you see is a full-length mirror. Over here we have many different high-quality toiletries all given by the hotel. The toilet comes equipped with a smart toilet with many features and a very large bathtub. I really like how the warm lighting and wooden finishes make the space feel bright and modern. So here we have the wardrobe. It's pretty spacious and good enough to store our luggage. The hotel gave us 3 pairs of high-quality slippers and 2 pairs of bathrobes. Now coming into the main room, this is the bed. It's a king-sized and a single bed, and honestly it feels firm but super comfortable after a long day. The pillows are fluffy and supportive, which is really important for me. Over here is the workspace. There's a spacious desk with a comfortable chair, and it's perfect if you need to study, work, or edit videos. The Wi-Fi speed is fast, so that's always a plus. Now let's check out the minibar area. We have complimentary water, tea, and coffee. There's also a mini fridge and kettle, which is great for quick drinks in the room. Next to the beds, we have the bedside table with charging ports, light controls, and a phone, which is super convenient. I love when hotels think about these small details. And my favorite part, the view. From here you can see the city skyline and a glimpse of the ocean. At night, I think this view will look super beautiful and vibrant. Here are some day photos as well. As for the neighborhood, this hotel is located in downtown Jeju City, which is really convenient. There are restaurants, cafes, convenience stores, and local markets nearby. It's about 10 to 15 minutes away from Dongmun Market, so the location is honestly very practical.